Once you've generated an edge score of at least 50 and have $500 of equity in your Axi Select trading account, you'll qualify for the seed stage, from where you'll advance onto incubation, acceleration, Pro 500, and eventually Pro M. It's our mission to get as many of you as possible through to the Pro stages. To progress through the stages, you need to increase your edge score. 60 for incubation, 70 for acceleration, and 90 for the Pro stages. Once you're in a stage, you must complete a set number of trades over a minimum number of days before you're eligible to advance to the next stage. Our only trading restriction: you can't lose 10% or more of the funds in your allocation account. But don't worry if this happens, because unlike other capital allocation programs, we won't immediately close your account. We give you 3 attempts before that would happen. If you do breach those rules, you'll go into quarantine, where we pause trading in your capital allocation account for 2 weeks while you regroup, although you'll still be able to trade in your Axi Select account. Take your trading to the next level today.